Welcome to Code Funhouse. Hey there, tech explorers. Ever wondered how websites look so cool or how video games come to life? It's all thanks to the magic of coding. Coding is like a secret language that tells computers what to do. Think of it like building with Lego bricks, but instead of bricks, you use code to create amazing things. You can make websites, apps, games, and even robots. In this exciting world, you're the boss. You get to decide what to create and how it works. So, are you ready for an adventure? Let's dive in and discover the wonders of coding. Why learn code? Be a tech superhero. In today's world, technology is everywhere. From the phones in our pockets to the cars we drive, code powers it all. Learning to code is like gaining superpowers. You can build your own websites, design cool apps, and even create your own video games. Being able to code means you can bring your ideas to life. You can solve problems, automate tasks, and make things easier for yourself and others. It's like having a secret weapon in a world driven by technology. So gear up and get ready to become a coding superhero. Meet the coding superstars. Let's meet the superstars of the coding world: JavaScript, Python, HTML, and CSS. JavaScript is the life of the party on the web. It makes websites interactive and fun. Think animations, games, and cool effects. That's JavaScript in action. Python is like the builder, powerful and versatile. It can create anything from simple scripts to complex artificial intelligence programs. HTML is the architect. It builds the structure of websites like walls and rooms. And finally, CSS is the interior designer. It makes websites look amazing with colors, fonts, and styles. Together, these coding languages create the amazing digital world we know and love. Machines that learn. It's like magic. Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends movies you might like? Or how self-driving cars are becoming a reality? It's all thanks to machine learning. Machine learning is a special kind of coding where we teach computers to learn from data. It's like teaching a dog new tricks, but instead of treats, we use data. With machine learning, we can create smarter computers that can predict the future, understand human language, and even diagnose diseases. It's a fascinating field that's changing the world as we speak. Coding your dream job. Learning to code opens up a world of possibilities when it comes to careers. Want to be a game developer and create the next Fortnite? Code is your key. Dream of building robots that can explore Mars? Coding is the answer. How about designing websites for famous brands? You guessed it, coding is the secret ingredient. From web developers to software engineers, data scientists to cybersecurity experts, there's a coding career out there for everyone. And the best part? These jobs are in high demand, which means you'll be a hot commodity in the job market. Ready, set, code. So there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of coding. It's a world where creativity meets technology, where you can build anything you can imagine. Learning to code is like learning a new language, the language of the future. And the best time to start is now. You can explore our curriculums available on the platform, from interactive tutorials to fun coding games. You can learn at your own pace, explore different coding languages, and discover what sparks your passion. So what are you waiting for? Jump into the world of coding and unleash your inner tech wizard. The future is waiting to be coded.